Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Exodus wallet address. First, open your Exodus application on your desktop or mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Wallet section, which displays all your cryptocurrency assets. From there, you will need to select the specific cryptocurrency for which you wish to find the receiving address. This process is straightforward and ensures you can easily share your address for incoming transactions. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, locate and click the Receive button. This action will display your unique wallet address, typically accompanied by a QR code for convenience. You can then easily copy this address to your clipboard. Always ensure you are copying the correct address for the specific asset you intend to receive, as sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. It is crucial to always verify network compatibility for your chosen cryptocurrency before sharing your address. For example, sending Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain network to an Ethereum mainnet address will likely result in lost funds. Ensure the sender uses the exact address you provide for the correct asset. Always double-check the first few and last few characters of the address for accuracy to prevent any errors during transactions. In summary, finding your Exodus wallet address involves selecting the asset and clicking Receive. Remember, each cryptocurrency has a unique address, and confirming the correct asset and network is paramount for successful transactions. Security is key, so always double-check the address before sharing or sending funds. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Stay vigilant and enjoy the convenience of managing your crypto with Exodus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.